We have a question here on number basis. It says, if 2312 base 4 is equal to x base 8, find x. Now look at it. We are going to find a way to express both sides of the equation to have the same base. Now when you look at the right hand side, we cannot convert x base 8 to base 4 because x is unknown. So we are going to convert from base 4 here to base 8. But take note that we cannot convert from base 4 directly to base 8. So we are going to first of all convert from base 4 to base 10, and then from base 10 we convert to base what? 8. So let's start by converting this number in base 4 to base 10. We have 2, 3, 1, 2 in base 4 to be converted to base 10. Alright, to convert a number in any base to base 10, you are to use the base, in this case base 4. Use the 4 to multiply each of the digits raised to the power of the remaining digit. It goes like this. Let's start with 2. 2 is the first digit, so we have 2 multiplied by 4, which is the base, raised to power 3. We raise to power 3 because after 2 we have 3 digits remaining. Then plus next is 3 multiply 4, which is the base, raised to power 2, because after 3 we have 2 digits remaining. Then plus 1 multiply 4 raised to power 1. Then finally plus 2 multiply 4 raised to the power of 0. Here we have raised to power 0 because after these 2 there is no more digit left. Now let us simplify. We have 2 multiply 4 raised to power 3 is 64, plus 3 multiply 4 raised to power 2 is 16, plus 1 multiply 4, and then plus 2 multiply 4 raised to power 0 is 1. In fact, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Let's continue. 2 multiply 64 is 128, plus 3 multiply 16 gives us 48, plus 1 times 4 is 4, then plus 2 times 1 is what? 2. When you add this together, we have it to be equal to 182 in base 10. So now we have converted this number from base 4 to base 10. So next we are going to convert this base 10 number to base what? 8. So let us do that. We are to convert 182 base 10 to what? A number in base 8. Alright, to convert from base 10 to base 8, let us write the base 10 number, which is 182. Then we draw a straight line. Now we are converting to base 8, so we are going to use 8 to keep dividing the base 10 number until we get to 0. Okay, so we have 182 divided by 8 gives us 22, remainder what? 6. Next, 8 here, 22 divided by 8 gives us 2, remainder 6. And now we have 8. This time around we have 2 less than the divisor. So 8 into 2 cannot. So you write down 0 and transfer these 2 here as the remainder. So we have remainder what? 2. And when you have 0, we have come to the end of the division. And this becomes our answer. We take our answer from down upwards. So the answer is 266. So we can say that 182 in base 10 is equal to 266 in base 8. So we have now converted 182 in base 10 to base 8. We can say likewise that this expression in base 4 is now equivalent to 266 in base 8. Now the question says 2312 in base 4 is equal to x base 8. But right now we have converted from base 4 to base 8. So in place of base 4, we are going to write 266 base 8 is now equal to x base 8. Then take note of this. You have an equation that have equal bases. This is base 8 and this is what? Base 8. Since the bases are equal, it simply means the numbers themselves are also equal. So we can say therefore x is equal to 266, and this becomes the answer. Thank you very much for watching.